Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious salmon croquettes. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cans of salmon, about 6 ounces each, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 2 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Don't forget your salt, pepper, and any other favorite seasonings. Make sure your salmon is thoroughly drained to ensure the best texture for your croquettes. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now that you have all your ingredients, let's get mixing. Start by flaking your well-drained salmon into a large bowl, making sure to remove any skin or small bones. Next, add your 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 2 beaten eggs, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and a dash of lemon juice. Season generously with salt and pepper. Gently combine everything until it's just mixed. Then, form the mixture into 8 to 10 uniform patties, each about 1 inch thick, ready for cooking. With your croquettes formed, it's time to cook them to golden perfection. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, carefully place your croquettes into the pan, making sure not to overcrowd it. Cook for approximately 3 to 4 minutes on each side, until they are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy. If you prefer baking, you can place them on a baking sheet and cook at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Your delicious salmon croquettes are now ready to be enjoyed. For the best experience, serve them immediately while they are still warm and crispy. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a sprinkle of chopped fresh parsley or dill will brighten their flavors beautifully. These croquettes pair wonderfully with a light green salad, a classic tartar sauce, or even a homemade creamy dill sauce. They are incredibly versatile, perfect as a quick appetizer or a satisfying main course for any meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.